Today I'm gonna do surfboard. I'm with my friends. Then
What's up?
we're gonna do don't forget to hit that like button. We're going for 60 subscribers and
No.
15 likes.
No,
We're starting.
100 subs.
No, just
Hey, bro,
just
bro.
Stop. We're playing.
So, this is him when he playing.
We're gonna see who can get the most high score.
And then he's gonna, I think he's gonna get the high score, I think.
Now I'm just be quiet.
So, I'm to tell you if he's gonna get the high score of playing.
And now we're gonna be quiet.
And now we're gonna be quiet. And as soon as we play to Subway Surfers when we play.
Yeah.
So we're gonna be quiet in 80 minutes until we get quiet.
You be quiet.
So
You need to be quiet, guys.
So if you continue to be quiet, you can just watch the game or you can just play the game. So
Yeah. That's my turn to talk. And this is for free in Play Store, so
Yes,
you
okay.
can get it. So
let's get on this and try to be quiet.
Yeah. This is the video.
This is the video when we can play. So we're gonna be quiet like 80 minutes.
okay, and I can do
And
guys. And
go
then,
up.
it's his turn. And what prize did I get? Money. It's my friend's turn, and then the other friend. So
Yeah, guys, this is my friend.
Stop.
This is the Instagram, Snapchat videos.
And subscribe to my channel. It's called My Vlogs.
Yo, what now?
That's my dad. Name. My dad has 2 names. You know, guys. So we're gonna see. Can he beat my high score? Okay, you ready to do it? Stop. Sorry about that, guys. Stop. We're doing video. Yo, he bit.
Oh my god!
Are you? Guys, one of my friends left, so it's gonna be me and him versus each other. So as you can see, we're outside of my store. As you can see, you already beat me. You know why I lost? Because I was...
I got some.
Oh, he got that. So my turn. Can I beat his high score? Let's see. As you can see, my other friend left, and somebody just threw something almost at me. You should have saw it flying. It was so funny. Almost died right there. As you can see, if you hear that noise, I just told you we're outside. Yeah. Oh my gosh, I hate that noise. It makes my ear like deaf. Yo, it makes my. I just did that for no reason. His high school was 45001. Can I beat that? Yee! I can just cheat. My cheating boots. Wee! My cheating boots. Not anymore. It's gone. Yo, it looks like the phone is turning around. My cheating boot. Oh! You saw that, guys? Sucker! Not my death. Not my death again. Not my death? Okay, my death. Psych. You know, if you get that, your level gets harder, guys. So if you're one, oh my god, did I I beat his high score. 4-7. Your turn. One more round and then we're gonna round up this video. Maybe 2 more?
Now
One more round. Then we're gonna how about 3 more rounds and then we're gonna end it up. Actually. Yep.
Yeah, guys, subscribe to the video and make sure you give this video a big thumbs up.
Yeah, so you should have just saw that. A cat just jumped and got a bird and ate its head. That's so weird. Oh my god. You can't beat my house. Yes, you can maybe. Get that. It gives you all those. Now it's gonna be double. You're doubling the price to be hard. This bee's buzzing me. I forgot to eat my chips. You want one? When you're done the game. Okay. Eat it.
Oh, yeah.
I got box though.
There. Score.
I'm doing that. He did not beat my high score. So that was weird. He just was 2 more ahead of me. By the way, where did your mom go?
My mom. Yeah, that wasn't my mom.
Where did she go though? His mom is gonna might take him, right? Do you know? Can you come back whenever you want to? Okay, you can come back whenever you want to. Guys, subscribe to this channel if you want more. I can't pass over 15 or it will stop the video. I can't upgrade it. Guys, I hope you like this video. Please, can you subscribe? Because I have 0 subscribers, but a lot of views. Ooh. This is my first time playing with my friends. Because they just became my friends. They've been my friends, I'm just joking. I'm trying to trick them. He's been my friend. And that bird. Yo, a bird eats it. Yo, you know birds can be savage?
Yeah, they eat cats.
Yeah. Yo,
These guys, subscribe to this video. Guys, this is the last video that we ever going to show. If you want to subscribe.
If you want more with me playing with my friends, but sometimes my friend is gonna leave early, but he can leave whenever he wants to.
Subscribe to this video and make sure you get this 1,000 thumbs up.
Not 1,000.
Well,
not 1,000. I'm 16 thumbs up.
Bro.
And
look at that. Oh, that's a thing.
Yo, that scares me. Yo, you scare me. Oh, I beat my other high score. So, guys, I win. Guys, we're gonna do 2 more rounds.
Nah, guys, this is the last video for me and him. Subscribe to this video if you want.
Yeah, but we're gonna do 2 more rounds.
Yeah, let's see what characters you got. You didn't even open your thing. You didn't open.
Yo, look at the other one. Where? No, I don't have 30.
The character. Bro, you wanna play?
No, we're making a video.
Yeah, bro, we making a video. Nah, that's ready. This is all tight too.
Yo, guys, this is my other friend.
Yeah, bro, this is my cousin.
Y'all making a video and this is my booty. Jump right, look.
Exactly. he tried to make me do a video. Like he tried to over here.
Guys, I'm now.
My brother, me and my brother are way more
subscribers?
No, videos. Well, me and my brother, we got way more videos. Did y'all you made a video about doing any challenges or something?
Exactly. You should have made some videos about challenges. Oh, I got it. A Daredevil challenge.
No.
That should have been. Yo, bro. He drunk some juice, right? He put it back in the thing.
What, liquor?
No, he put it back. He put the juice back in the freezer. He a savage.
What? The freezer where the customers drink out of?
Yeah. Hold up. I got a box. Damn, he got a box. It's his turn. It's his turn.
Y'all store
Guys,
open?
the game,
Y'all store open?
Yeah. Come on, bro.
guys,
I
we're getting the video
I
here.
got like 5 cents in my pocket.
Guys, if you like this video, don't forget to get 16 likes and 15 subscribers. So, bye.